South Dakota's Attorney General says he'll fight a lesbian couple in court to prevent them from having their marriage recognized. Alaska's highest court has ruled against the state's marriage ban after thinking about it for over a year and a half. And we have several new lawsuits this week, plus a major ruling coming in Arkansas. For the American Foundation for Equal Rights, I'm Matt Baum, and welcome to Marriage News Watch for May 5th, 2014. May's going to be a big month for marriage equality, starting with a ruling this week in Arkansas. 20 couples sued the state last year, and now Judge Chris Piazza has confirmed that he'll issue a ruling by this Friday. This is a state lawsuit, but a separate federal lawsuit is also pending in Arkansas. And we've had significant motion in other states. In Alaska, the state Supreme Court has ruled that gay couples and straight couples must be treated equally when it comes to property taxes. This is a complicated case. In fact, it took the Supreme Court over a year and a half to reach its decision. And it's still not clear just how this will affect marriage equality, since the case was very narrowly focused on taxes. But it's still a major victory. Alaska's highest court has ruled that marriage discrimination violates the right to equal protection. A religious group in North Carolina has sued the state over its marriage ban. The federal suit argues that the ban violates the religious freedom of ministers who wish to marry LGBT couples. There's a brand new lawsuit in Ohio. This follows a series of very narrow rulings that the state's marriage ban is unconstitutional. And there are new plaintiffs in a Florida case. An organization there has added Arlene Goldberg to an existing federal lawsuit. Goldberg's wife, Carol Goldwasser, recently passed away, but now the state is denying Goldberg access to her late wife's Social Security. A new survey in Florida shows that support for marriage equality is at 56% to 39% opposed. And a new survey in Colorado shows support at a record high, 61% to 33%. And finally, South Dakota is going to get its first marriage equality lawsuit any minute now. Last week, lesbian couple Nancy and Jenny Rosenbraun got married in Minnesota, and now they plan to file suit against their home state of South Dakota to get recognition. Attorney General Marty Jackley says he'll fight the women in court. Those are the headlines. Subscribe here on YouTube for more on all these stories. For the American Foundation for Equal Rights, I'm Matt Baum. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.